Hey guys, Matt here with Burns Power Tools. So this just came off the shipping dock and entered into the showroom. It is a brand new DeWalt XR brushless orbital sander. It runs off a 20-volt battery. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to unbox it and take a peek. All right, let's check it out. Okay guys, so I have the sander right here. As you can see, the code is DCW210B. Again, it's a 5-inch random orbital sander. Now this is the 2 only, so I have my 20-volt max battery right here. It's got the 5 amp hours. Let's crack this open. By the way, it's guaranteed tough. Yeah, there you go. That's DeWalt. So as with all DeWalt products, this has the 3-year warranty. It's a limited warranty, and then it has a 1-year free service as well as a 90-day money-back guarantee. We here at Burns Tools love you guys, so you can always, if you have any issues, just bring it in. We can hook you up, but I highly doubt you will because DeWalt makes some awesome stuff. All right, so opening it up. Dun, dun, dun. There you go. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? XR. That means it's fancy. So right here is the dust collection bag. It's great, black, spring-loaded cap, as you can see. I'm going to set that back in there first. I'm going to set that aside over here. I've never done this before, so you guys got to bear with me. All right, now this here is what we're looking for. It comes in this plastic bag, and then we also have the instruction booklet. It's always important to read the instruction booklet. Nobody ever does, but it's nice to have in case you do get lost. All right, let me figure this out. Stay. You can stay? If I can stay. I might stay. All right, so pull this off here. Set that aside. Pull this out of the bag. It's my sweet theme song. So now, why is this important? This is the first brushless, cordless orbital sander that we're carrying here in the store. It's kind of a big deal. So as you can see, there's a variable speed, so you can change that. There's a it's actually pretty low height, so I can actually get really close down to the work surface and see what I'm doing, which is nice. This right here is where the bag is going to go. And then because it is brushless, it has a brushless motor, this thing is going to last for a long time, which is really important. And then here is our 8-hole hook and loop for your sanding pads. So you want to put your abrasive pads on that, whatever they may be. And yeah, I think it's actually quite comfortable. It's not that heavy. That looks good. Click it on. Just tighten, and that's that. Let me turn it on and see what happens. There it goes. Cool. There's plastic on it. Let's see if I can get the plastic off. I could do this. Yes, I totally did that. All right, so as I said, it's got the variable speed. So on the first setting, we're doing slow, all the way up to 7, which is its highest. So we have these here in stock. So if you guys want to come check them out, you can see them for yourselves. They're also going to be on the website, burnstools.com. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you guys want us to do another unboxing video, please let us know in the comments and like and share and all that fun stuff. All right, cheers, bye.